To minimize this advantage, test writers have to make the wrong answers seem correct. Often, the wrong answers are particularly appealing, and test takers fall into the trap of picking answers that seem too good to be true. Learning to recognize and avoid these trap answers is one of the keys to your success on the TOEFL. For each question in this book, be sure to review both the right and wrong answers so you have an idea of what both good and bad answers look like. Also, pay close attention to our discussion of common trap answers in the reading and listening sections. 14. Cracking the TOEFL IBT. Increase your odds. Identifying wrong answers greatly improves your chances of getting a question correct. On the TOEFL, each multiple-choice question has 4 answer choices, which means you have a 25% 1 in 4 chance of guessing correctly. However, by using process of elimination PO to cross off wrong answers, you greatly increase your odds. We discuss PO thoroughly in the Cracking the Reading section, chapter later in this book. Finding and eliminating just one wrong answer means you have a 33% 1 in 3 chance of guessing correctly, and eliminating 2 answers raises your odds of guessing correctly to 50% 1 in 2. This is an important fact to remember. Although you may not be able to answer every question on the TOEFL correctly, you can increase your score simply by increasing your odds when guessing. Letter of the day LOTD. Speaking of guessing, let me introduce another Princeton review strategy, letter of the day, or LOTD, as we call it in the biz. When you encounter a multiple-choice question and you have no idea what the right answer might be and the test is almost done so you are scrambling to fill in answers, choose any letter A, B, C, or D and fill it in because there is no penalty for incorrect answers, so answer every question, no matter what. Use that LOTD when you're scrambling and wrapping up. POOD, personal order of difficulty. POOD across the test. We've already talked about not needing rock star status on every section, and now that we're